Good morning, friends. Now we are starting some degree of difficulty programs are being increased as we are used to with the concepts, and we have seen a lot of programs from simplicity to difficulty. This session we are going to see one more program which will be for comparison. So let's see what is the problem statement. The problem statement is to write an assembly language program to count the occurrence of data, that is 9C H, in memory block starting with D000H to D009H. Whatever the count that will come, that should be stored in the memory location D500H. Let's see what the problem statement means. Here, the memory location is given. The memory location is of count 10, starting with D000H to D009H. The total is 10. So what we have to do is, suppose the user enters the data like this: 01H, 02H, 9CH, 03H, 9CH, 04H, like that. Then our program should give output how many times in this memory location block from D000H to D009H, how many times the user has entered 9CH. So for that, what we are using in microprocessor level, the three resistors. A is the accumulator. B is used to store the count of 9C, that how many times the 9C has occurred. So as soon as the comparison is done and as soon as it is compared with 9C, there is a comparison of content of accumulator and the memory location. If this content of accumulator and memory location is compared, and if they are equal, then the counter will be incremented by 1 of 9C. And this C is used as the counter of memory location. We have to count 10 memory location, so that will be stored with 0A, that is 10, and it will be decremented till it becomes 0, right? Okay, very good. So let's start now. This is the logic. Let's start now the program. So what is the logic from flowchart? Let's see. So start. Initialize accumulator and resistor with 00 and resistor C with 0AH. Why? Accumulator with 00, counter B with 00, because we want to use this counter as how many times 9C has occurred. So we should not have any previous data in it. So it is 00. Now C counter resistor is used as a counter and directly it will be stored at 0AH, that is 10. B will be incremented for every occurrence of 9C and C will be decremented for every occurrence, even if it is 9C or not, because it is used for a counter for the memory location, right? Okay. Then set the memory pointer to D000H. So what will happen here? The memory will start with this D000H. Then move the content of memory location pointer by HL pair to A. So the content of this memory location will be moved to A, and then the comparison of accumulator and 9C will be done. So content of accumulator and 9C will be done, and if that is equal to 9C, the counter will increase by 1 and this counter will decrease by 1. So the memory content of memory location move the content of memory location pointed by HL pair to A. Then check, is A equal to 9C? Because we want to count how many times user has entered the data as 9C. So once we take the data at accumulator, we will compare it with 9C. If that particular content is 9C, then it will be increment the resistor B by 1. If it is not 9C, then we don't want to increase this one. We want to only increase the HL resistor pair by 1, so that what will happen? The content, the memory pointer will go to the next memory location for the data comparison and decrease this counter by 1. So increase the HL resistor pair, decrease the counter. If that counter is not equal to 0, then go back again to move the content of HL resistor pair to A, compare it again. If it is equal to C, then increase the resistor pair by resistor B by 1, which is the counting of 9C. Increase the HL resistor pair and decrease the count. Right? It's clear? Very good. Now I am sure that this logic will be very easy to understand to you. Now let's see the program. So move immediate A comma 00H, B comma 00H, and C comma 0AH. So initializing A and B with 00 and C with 0AH. Then load the HL resistor pair by D000H. That is, set the memory location pointer by HL resistor pair to D000H. Move the content of this memory location to A. That is what? Move the content. What will be the HL resistor pair here? The HL resistor pair will be D000. This is M. So move A comma M means move the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL resistor pair to A. So now if suppose the data which is stored by user is like this, the input table, see here 01, 9C, 02, 9C, and 04, correct? For five memory locations. We have taken 5 memory locations. So here we should load this by 5 each. If we say 10 memory location, it should be loaded by 10 memory location, 0AH, correct? Input data is 05, or if it is 0A, then load it by 10 memory locations. So 01H. So move A comma M means what? The content of this memory location is 01H. Move this content 0 of memory location D000, which is in HL resistor pair, to A. So content of accumulator will become 1. This particular one will be now checked with 9CH. CPI, compare immediate with 9CH. So the accumulator will be compared with 9CH. If it is equal to 0, if it is equal, then what? The 0 flag will be set. So when the comparison is done, that is the content of accumulator is equal to 9C, then 0 flag will be set. So what we have done, if no 0, J and Z, no 0, that is it is not equal, because the input is 0, 1, so 0 flag is not set. So what we have to do, we have to just go and increase the resistor pair HL. Why? Because we have to move to the next location, correct? So here it is done as, if 0 flag is not set, then move to next location, that is next, INXH. If 0 flag is set, then we have to increase the counter B and again go to INXH. So if 0 flag is not set, 019C is not equal, then it will go to INXH. HL pair will be incremented by 1. Counter will be decremented by 1. Again, it will be checked, is it 0? If it is not 0, then go to loop. Move A comma M. So now what will be M now? The memory location which is in HL. But what is HL? HL will be now D001. So this content will be now taken into the accumulator. What will be the data here? Let's see what we have given the data. It's 9CH. So what will happen? The 9C will be loaded here. Now it will compare 9C and 9C. So is 9C equal to 9C? Yes, it will be same. So zero flag will be set. If zero flag is set, it will not go to next. It will go to increment B. So counter B will be incremented by 1. Previously it was 0, now it is incremented by 1. So it will be 0, 1. So it is counted that up till now, how many times 9C has been entered? Up till now, how many times 9C has been entered? 1. So this counter becomes 1. How many memory locations we have checked? 2. So from 5 to it will go to 4. Correct? So it will be decremented. Then it will increase, decrement. So 3. Is then Z 0? C is 0? No. Go to loop. And this will continue. And at the last, when it comes out of the loop, it is move B comma M. Move B comma M. Means what? Move the content of register B to A. Okay, so this is wrong. So this should be move A comma B. This should be move A comma B. So content of B will be moved to A, and the counter then STA D500H. So what will happen? That the accumulator will be moved to D500H, which is nothing but the counter of yes 9C count that will come to D500H. Understood? There is a small correction here. You have to make move A comma B. Correct? Okay. So this is the program by which you can count any number, any count 9C, whatever you want to compare, how many times user has entered that number. Thank you.